Manipur situation, you see when this, I connect it with the question which you had earlier asked, the gentleman over there. In 2020, before to 2020, there was army, there was Assam Rifles all deployed in the state of Manipur for counterinsurgency operations, but since the challenges of the northern borders were far more, we were able to withdraw the army and the situation we thought had normalized. At least the insurgency part, that had normalized. And we were able to pull out the army units and they had all gone to the northern borders. Unfortunately, this particular situation which is developed into Manipur is nothing to do with, counterinsurgency or insurgency. It's primarily a clash between two ethnicities. And it's a law and order kind of a situation which we are helping the state government. So while we were there to fight insurgency, that level certainly has come down enough to that level which permitted us to actually withdraw the armed forces from there. But right now we are into a different situation altogether, trying to separate out the communities which are, ethnic, because of ethnicity and a number of clashes which are happening. We've done an excellent job, Assam Rifles and armed forces, and may have saved a large number of lives. The challenges in Manipur have not gone, they're not disappeared. One way to say, it will take some time actually, but hopefully they should settle down. The state government should be able to do their job with CAPF, etc. And armed forces should be back to looking at the challenge, which you said has not yet disappeared from the northern border. So that's important for us.